తిరుపతిలో జరుగుతున్న భారతీయ విజ్ఞాన సమ్మేళనం ప్రారంభోత్సవ కార్యక్రమంలో సీఎం చంద్రబాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
ది సర్వీస్ ఆఫ్ మోహన్ జీ భగవత్ జీ over several decades he has worked across regions and responsibilities, making this organization strong through his experience and dedication while remaining above political or constitutional positions. Since 2009, he has overseen the steady expansion of the RSS while preserving its disciplined, cadre-based structure and nationwide presence. Under his leadership, the RSS continues to strengthen volunteerism and expand grassroots service across the country. He has also expanded public engagement and outreach by opening spaces for dialogue and understanding. Through his speeches and interactions, he consistently speaks on social harmony, national identity, and cultural cohesion. He is making a huge, valuable contribution to national progress and preserving our tradition values through discipline and continuity of service. I really, first of all, express my gratitude for his national contribution and nation building. Friends, today we are all here. This is National Sanskrit University, established in 1961. Great service to the Indian culture. I really appreciate for their contribution continuously, consistently. For this, so many people are working. Each one of them, I really appreciate for their dedicated services. Today, this is a platform where we speak with pride about our nation and about Bharatiyata, our civilization ethos. If you see here, our knowledge is not new. As early as 4,500 years ago, through the Harappan civilization, India demonstrated to the world the principles of urban planning and engineering. 2,900 years ago, we were already practicing yoga. Today we are very happy. Recently we conducted yoga in Visakhapatnam under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister. More than 150 countries they are practicing yoga. We are proud of it. We are providing universal health through yoga practice. 2,600 years ago, we elevated Ayurveda to great heights and established a world-renowned university like Takshashila. Nalanda University, which existed 600 years ago, stands as a proof of our advanced education system. Zero is invented by Indians. Today, because of that, information technology, we are very strong. Always, mathematics and English is deadly combination for IT. Both are there only in India. That's why India is doing extremely well in information technology. The game of chess was invented here. In astronomy, we had Aryabhatta. In mathematics, Bhaskaracharya. In medicine, Chakra and also Dhanvantari. In economics, Kautilya. If you see all these things, very inspirational history. Today, Bharatiya Vigyana Sammelan is playing a very vital role, taking Indian knowledge forward as a national momentum. He had 6